Hey everybody, in today's video I want to show you how you can install AI models locally with Pinokio AI. So let me show you how we can install this. Firstly, you have to search for pinokio.co and open this official website. And from here, simply click on download. Now you can choose your operating system. So if you have macOS, you can choose macOS, Windows, or Linux. So in my case, I have Apple Silicon, so I'm gonna click on Apple Silicon, download for macOS. So this will start downloading Pinocchio. Once this is installed, if you are on the Windows, just simply double click on this setup file. If you are on Mac and you are going to double click on this, you have to extract it to application or drag it to applications in order to install it. Now we can open this and install this. So from this settings is asking you for choosing the location where you want to install this. Then you can choose theme. So if you want to use dark, you can make dark theme, and you can use desktop or background mode. So I'm gonna go with the desktop and then click on save. You just want to make sure that you are not installing this Pinocchio on external hard drive, but on your main internal drive. All right, so that's it. So now we want to restart the app. And here we go. This is how it's going to look if the Pinocchio is installed. So at the top, you can see the search bar. Basically, here you can search for your installed apps you already have. Since we don't have one, we can search for anything. On the right side, you can see this main navigation. So the most important buttons are Explore and Create. The Create is for more advanced users because this is where you are creating app from scratch. And in the Explore, if you click on Explore, this is going to redirect you to this page where you can install every AI app you want. So you have some options. You can filter it by type. So you have API or plugin. Then you have platform. So you can choose for which platform. Since I'm on macOS, I can choose macOS only. And then we have also some GPU specifications. So you can, if you have NVIDIA or AMD or Apple, you can also sort it by tags. So for example, if you want AI for image generation, simply just click on it and this is going to open like all of the image generation AIs. Let's install something. I'm gonna, for example, search for Ollama. And let's say I want this Ollama chatbot. So I'm gonna click on this. Simply click on install. Choose your branch and click on install latest. Now, after you clicked on install, it's going to redirect you to this screen where you will see 13 requirements which are needed in order to install this Ollama chatbot. And this is why Pinocchio is actually really good because without Pinocchio, you would have to install everything manually, all of those 13 things. So you would have to install like Node, Git, and this requires like a lot of knowledge and a lot of time. So with Pinocchio, you just have to click simply install, and it's going to automatically install all of those 13 dependencies for you automatically. All right, so this is why Pinocchio is really great. As you can see, it's installing Conda, one of the 13 dependencies, and after those 13 dependencies are installed, it's going to ask you to save this folder. So you can name it how you want, or you can keep it as it is on default and simply click on download. Now you want to install it, but before that you can turn this protection on if you want. You can read some advantages or disadvantages so it can reduce risk, but some installs may fail. You can also change this in the app later. So for example, let's keep it as it is. So basically off and install. So now in order to download a model, as I said, we need to install Ollama. So if you have installed Ollama, just simply open it. We want to make sure it's opened, all right? And then we can click on, for example, this Ollama 3.1 and click on run. And now, as you can see, on the bottom of your screen, you have this progress bar. So this is telling you how much gigabytes it's going to take to install this model. Next to it, you can see as well the time which is going to take to install this. So if you have slower internet like me, it's going to take longer and you have to wait. After this is downloaded, you can see it's telling us to go back to dashboard and launch the app. So I'm gonna click on done and click on this Pinocchio icon in top left corner, and you can see we have this chatbot ollama installed locally in our computer. So if I click on it, and now it should like show you this address on your local host. So if you click on this local host, it's going to open this chatbot ollama, and we can basically start using this. So I have only this model which I installed, this 3.1 latest, and we can choose like the tone which you want. So as you can see, higher values like 0.8 can make the output more random, while lower values like 0.2 will make it more focused and deterministic. Now we can try some prompt. So let's say I will simply try to say hello to our chatbot. So hi, and we will see if it working. And as you can see, it works. Hi, how can I assist you today? So now you can start asking your questions. For example, write me something about elephants, and it's going to show us some short description, I guess. So you can see like they, for example, roam the savannas and forest of Africa and Asia. See that this is the largest like land animal on the earth. It weighs around 15,000 pounds, which is approximately 6,800 kilograms. So this is basically how it works. And now you can see your chat on the left side. So you can, for example, create new chat if you click on new chat, and again you can again specify this tone of the chatbot. Then you can, like, for example, import data or export data from your computer. If you have some, let's say, PDF files you want to summarize or stuff like that, you can also clear conversation. So if you click on this, it's going to remove, I guess, all of the conversations I have. So as you can see, now if you want to exit this, we can simply like minimize this, and we can open the Pinocchio, and we can go back. And if you click on this Pinocchio icon, you can see chatbot Omalama is running. So if you want to stop it, simply click on this stop. And as you can see, the dot is like great. So this means the chatbot is not running currently. And if you want to start it, simply open it or double click on this. And now you have to like run it again, all right? This is how you can install AI apps locally on your computer. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.